Imagine this. You've got the science, the data checks out, the funding's secure. Your team is working 14 hours a day, and yet somehow you're still behind.
If you are responsible for improving any system, how do we normally do it? And a good analogy of that is to think about a system as a chain of tasks, work that has to be completed to achieve a specific goal, and there's resources that you need, right?
The trial's delayed, the submission's stuck, the product's not launching. You're in endless meetings, rewriting decks, chasing approvals, firefighting problems that weren't even there on the roadmap.
So the traditional way of trying to analyze, improve, and manage systems is I take that chain and I break it up into its various links, and I try to analyze and improve and manage each of the links. I try to find out what's the problem with every link.
This is the reality of life sciences, a world of mission-driven people working with brilliant minds, cutting-edge tools, and still constantly running into walls that seem invisible. Today we are going to talk about something that might just change the way you see your work, your team, and your impact.
People are familiar with Dr. Goldratt's book called The Goal. Jeff Bezos says it's one of the 3 most important books that he read. Elon Musk have read it and used it. Jensen Huang from NVIDIA. Most of the top entrepreneurs have read that book and have applied it, right? But there's another book that Goldratt wrote called Necessary But Not Sufficient.
Today we are going to talk about something that might just change the way you see your work, your team, and your impact. Not a new app, not a shiny framework, but a mindset shift so powerful that it's been used to transform billion-dollar businesses, governments, and humanitarian operations. It's called the theory of constraints. And to help us do that, I'm joined by someone who doesn't just understand constraints, he solves them. Dr. Alan Bernard is one of the world's leading decision scientists, the CEO of Goldratt Research Labs, and a pioneer in applying systems thinking to some of the most complex challenges across business, technology, and health. Alan, if every pharma leader in the world was listening to you right now, and you could say just one thing, what would it be?
It's having the courage to go back to the basics and focusing on what really matters.